Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you very beautiful frill type sarees. So please watch the video till end. Friends, these kind of frill type sarees are in trend. All college going girl, teenage girl, younger women are love to wear these kind of frill type sarees. These kind of latest trendy frill type sarees are perfect suitable for all kind of occasion, especially farewell, reception, engagement, and get together. Friends, these kind of frill type sarees comes with wide range of colors, design, material and patterns. Friends, I hope you guys are love this video. If you like this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. Friends, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon for immediate notification. Thank you friends and keep watching.